सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे इस YouTube चैनल को और दबाइए इस बेल आइकन को ताकि आपको मिल सके हमारे अगले वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले और आप कुछ नया नया सीख सकें।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, we are going to learn about the math. The chapter is factors. Factors. The question is, what is factor? A factor is a number which divides another number without leaving a remainder. A factor is a number which divides another number without leaving a remainder. See, first of all, we take 1. After that, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are numbers from 1 up to 10. When we see 1, we call it is a unique or special number. It is a unique because 1 has only one factor. If we divide 1 by 1, 1 ones are 1. The quotient is 1. So it is proved that 1 has only one factor, 1. And 1 is unique because 1 is the factor of every number. One is the factor of every number. Just if we divide 2 by 1, 1 2s are 2. 2 are quotient. If we divide 3 by 1, 1 3s are 3. 3 is quotient. If we divide 4 by 1, 1 4s are 4. It means that 1 is the factor of every number. So we call it is a unique number or it is a special number. After 1, we take 2. 2 has two factors. The first factor is 1, the second factor is 2. 2 divided by 1, 1 2s are 2. If we 1 2s are 2, it means if we take 2 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2. Just we prove that 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. After 3, 3 has also two factors. If we divide 3 by 1, 1 3s are 3. The quotient is 3. If we divide 3 by 3, 3 1s are 3. The quotient is 1. It means 3 has only two factors. The numbers which has only two factors, these are called prime numbers. The numbers that has only two factors are called prime numbers. 1 is a unique number. 2 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. 5 is prime number. 7 is prime number. 11 is prime number. 13 is prime number. 17 is prime number. 19 is prime number. We call these numbers, these are prime numbers. Because these numbers are only two factors, the 1 and the number itself. So we can see that these numbers are called prime numbers. When we take 4, 4 has three factors. One is factor, 2 is factor, 4 is factor. When we take 6, 6 is also 3 factors. 1 is factor, 2 is factor, 3 is factor, and 6 is factor. 6 has 4 factors. When we take 8, 8 has 1 factor, 2 factor, 4 factor, 8 factor. So we can prove the numbers which have more than 3 factors are called composite numbers. Composite numbers. So, first of all, 1 is unique and also a special number. 1 is the factor of every number and 1 has only 1 factor. After that, we see that there are some prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which has only 2 factors, the 1 and the number itself. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is prime number, 13 is prime number, 17 is prime number, 19 is prime number. There are so many other numbers which are prime numbers. And the numbers which have more than 2 factors, these are called composite numbers. First composite number is 4, 6 is composite number, 8 is composite number, 9 is composite number, 10 is composite number, 12 is composite number, 14 is composite number, and so on. There are so many composite numbers. Now, the exercise begins with use the multiplication to find the factors of the following. Use the multiplication to find the factors of the following. First of all, we take the multiplies of 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14. 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16. 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 18. 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20. Now understand, this is called a multiplication fact. Multiplication fact. This is multiplication fact. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. After that, there is another fact which is called division facts. Division facts. 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. These are also the factors. 1 is the factor and 2 is also factor. 2 is the factor of 4, 1 is the factor of 4, 1 is the factor of 5, 5 is the factor of 5. Now there is another question of finding the factors. Use the division method to find the factors of the following. There is a 64 question. Find the factors of 64 by division method. By division method. 1 is also factor. We have proved that 1 is the factor of every number. So, if we divide 64 by 1, 1/64 are 64. So 1 is the factor of 64. There are 64 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. It means 2 is also a factor of 64. 64 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. It means that 3 is not a factor of 6. 3 cannot exactly divide 64. So we can say that 3 is not the factor of 64. After that, 64 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 6s are 24. So we can prove that 4 exactly divide the 64. It means 16 is quotient. So 4 is the factor of 64. 5 is not factor of 64. 6 is not factor of 64. 7 is not factor of 64. Add 64 divided by 8. At it is our 64. So we can prove 1 is also factor, 2 is also factor of 64, 3 is not factor, 4 is factor, 5 is not factor, 6 is factor, 6 is not factor, 7 is not factor, 8 is factor. Nine is not factor of that. 10 is not factor. 11 is not factor of 64. 12 is not factor. 13 is not factor. 14 is not factor. 15 is not factor. 16 is factor of this. 32 is factor. 64 is factor. So we can see that the factors of 64 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. These are the factors of 64. After that there is another number, that is 90. One is factor of 90 because we have already proved that 1 is the factor of every number. So 1 is the factor of 90, 1 becomes the factor of 90. After that, we take 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. We have proved that 2 is the factor of 90. After 2, we can divide 90 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 30s are 90. 3 is the factor of 90. 4 is not factor of 90. 5 is factor of 90. Now 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 5s are 30. So we can have proved 6 is the factor of 90. 7 is not factor of 90. 8 is not factor of 90. 9 is factor of 90. 9 1s are 9. 9 0 are 0. So it means 9 is the factor of 90. After that, 10 is also factor of 90. 11 is not factor. 12 is not factor. 13 is not factor. 14 is not factor. 15 is the factor of 90. 90 divided by 15. 15 6s are 90. Then 15 is the factor of 90. Then after 30 is the factor of 90. And 90 is also the factor of 90. So we can have proved that there are so many factors of 90. 1 is the factor, 2 is factor, 3 is factor, 5 is factor, 6 is factor, 9 is factor, 10 is factor, 15 is factor, 30 is factor, 90 is factor. These are the factors of 90. After that, there is another question, 144. 1 is also the factor of 144. Now we see 2. 144 divided by 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. We have proved that 2 is also the factor of 144. After that, we see whether the 3 is the factor or not. 3 4s are 12. 3 8s are 24. It means 3 is also the factor of 144. After that, we can prove 144 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 6s are 24. It means also 4 is the factor of 144. 5 is not factor of 144. Then we see 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 4s are 24. So we can have proof 6 is also the factor of 144. 7 is not factor of 144. Then we see, first of all, we see 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 8s are 64. We have just proved that 8 is also the factor of 144. 9 is not factor. 10 is not factor of 144. 11 is not factor of 144. After that, we can try 12. 12 1s are 12. 12 2s are 24. After that, 12 becomes the factor of 144. 13 is not the factor of 144. 14 is not the factor of 144. 15 is not factor of 144. Just we try 60. 69 is our 144. 16 is the factor of 144. So we have proved 1 is the factor, 2 is factor, 3 is factor, 4 is factor, 6 is factor, 8 is factor, 12 is factor, and 16 is factor. So we can say 32 is also the factor of 144. These are the factors of 144. Factors we have proved. 1 is unique number or special number. The number which has only 2 factors, these are called the prime numbers. The numbers which have more than 2 factors are called the prime numbers. And some numbers have more than 2 factors, more than 3 factors, more than 4 factors. We have just proved 90. This has so many factors. 1 is factor, 2 is factor, 3 is factor, 5 is factor, 6 is factor, 9 is factor, 10 is factor, 15 is factor, 30 is factor, and 90 is factor. After that, 104, it has so many factors. 1 is factor, 2 is factor, 3 is factor, 4 is factor, 6 is factor, 8 factor, 12 factor, 16 factor, 32 is factor. There is another question. So we have also proved that 1 is the factor of every number. Every non-zero number is a factor of itself. The smaller factor of a number is 1. The largest factor of a number, it is number itself. List of prime numbers. 5 is prime number, 7 is prime number, 11 is prime number, 13 is prime number, 17 is prime number, 19 is prime. After that, there are so many prime numbers. These are called prime numbers because they have only those two factors. And after that, there are some composite numbers. Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors. That is the end.